Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 683. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use every day to invest $1 in Bitcoin. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments, and if you sign up with the link in the description, you can get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. We have stocks in Bitcoin up at the top. We want to go to the Bitcoin section. Bitcoin currently at $22,400. Down about 3% today, but let's take a look at the week view here. It did reach a high of around 23,500 or something like that. Up about 24% on the week. So it did break above that previous high of 20,000 and just going absolutely crazy. Like I said before, once it's above 20,000, it's just kind of in price discovery mode. Let's go to the year view, up 213%. You can see a long ride since about $5,000 right there, just all the way up. I previously said that maybe we could see a dip down to like this zone right here, 12,000 to 15,000, but I don't know. I think I'm changing my mind on that. I think we're in the bull market and the market is just different now, We have all these apps like Cash App where anybody can just come here and buy Bitcoin instantly. The barrier to entry is basically nothing. So there's a lot more people that can buy Bitcoin. There's lots of companies buying Bitcoin. So a lot of people think like the $14,000 range is where they want it to come back down into before they buy. But personally, I'm not going to be waiting for that. Let's take a look see if there's any news. Cash App Bitcoin rewards. Let's see what this is all about. Cash App Bitcoin rewards and other crypto card rewards. Oh, I think Cash App might be working on something with their card in their reward system. Yeah, right here you can see earn 5% worth of Bitcoin on 3 purchases. But the max you can earn is $7.50. So I think that's just something they're testing out. They're testing the waters to see if they can do Bitcoin back on Cash App card purchases. And that could be huge, That could be a huge thing. So lots of positive news for Bitcoin, lots of stuff coming. You can see I've been purchasing $1 every single day. I did kind of miss a day there, so I did $2 on Wednesday to make up for it. But yesterday, $1, Bitcoin owned 0.0826. Let's go ahead and buy today's $1 worth of Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap the 3 dots, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, tap confirm. And just like that, we've added more Bitcoin to the balance. So now have 0.08265, so just a little bit more there. But let's go ahead and do the math on this. $1,854. 1854 divided by 683 days equals a 2.71x on our investment. So what that means, for every dollar that I've invested in this experiment, I now have $2.71. So Bitcoin just really going for it, looking really good. We could see a dip down here into like these lower ranges, but it's not something that I'm expecting at this point. Now that we broke above that previous resistance of around 20,000, I think there could be some volatility around the $20,000 range, but I don't know. I don't think we're coming down here probably ever again. I could be completely wrong though. I'm just a noob trying my best at this stuff, buying $1 a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.